How's it going, Geometry Cats? We are looking at 9.2, reflections. Well, let's get right into it. A reflection, a cross line R, is called the line of reflection as transformation with two properties. Here's the big properties, guys. I'll move this guy up here. This guy even bigger. Okay. A reflection says, if I take a point, it's not on the line, I draw a perpendicular line to my line of reflection, and I make it equidistant on both sides, and I draw my new point. If my point is on the line, it does not move. Think about if you touch the mirror, your reflection's on the mirror, okay? And when you're standing away from a mirror, your reflection is the same distance away from the mirror on the other side as you are, okay? And this is an isometry, which means they're still congruent figures, okay? Okay, like look at this E. Looking at that mirror E, they're the same distance apart. Okay? Okay. Why is it so tiny today? This is so low. So we're going to take the point 3,4 P and reflect it across the line x equals -1. Where is that line? Do you guys remember? Well, I go to x, it's -1. It's going to be -1 this whole time. Okay? So here's what I do. How far away is P from my line of reflection? Well, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Okay? So that means I draw 1, 2, 3, 4 away from it. That's my new point, P prime. This has to be perpendicular. And you got it. Okay? That's all there was to it. Let's do another one. So this line has to be equal to this line. Graph the points -3, 4. That's my A. B is 0, 1. Oh, that's my B. And C is 4, 2. Let's see. So this is my triangle, right? Now I gotta reflect this across the y-axis. So I'm looking at, I'm gonna highlight it. So we're looking at the y-axis right here, right? Okay. So when I reflect the point A, I go 1, 2, 3 to get there, and 1, 2, 3 over here. So this is going to be my A prime. Okay, and that point is going to be 3, 4. B and B prime are the same thing, guys. Because I'm 0 distance away from the line, so I have nowhere to go. And C is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my C prime. And that's at -4, 2. Okay, connect the dots. There we go. That's my image from my pre-image. Okay, looks pretty neat. The red one's the new triangle. Did you guys notice a pattern with your points? Maybe. Let's see if we can't come up with one. Okay, suppose we have a point xy. I'm just going to make one up. Right? And we're going to reflect it over our y-axis. What are my new coordinates going to be? Well, how far away are you going to be from that y-axis? Well, x. So that means you have to go x over here. So this point would be negative x, y. So when you reflect over the y-axis, xy becomes negative xy. Okay? So again, if I had 0.43, it'd become negative 43. And if I reflect it over the x-axis, well, that's y. Go y down. So this would be x, negative y. So if we reflect over x-axis, xy goes to x, negative y. Okay? Not too scary? That's actually it, guys. That's all there is to it. Enjoy.